This is quadratic equation chapter. In this equation, find the nature of roots of equation. Clear? In video number 37, already I have told you how we can check nature of roots. Nature roots means if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given. Clear? How we can check? We can check means here if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are what? Real and equal. Clear? Second one, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then what? Roots are imaginary. And third one is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then you are what here? Real and unequal. Clear? First one I am going to check here. 2x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing a is equal to what? 2, b is equal to what? 2 and c is equal to what? 3. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to what? B means 2 square minus 4, a means 2, c means 3. 4 minus 4 into 2, 8 into 3 means 40 means minus 20. Now we can check here negative value is coming. Negative here. Clear? Negative sign. So roots are imaginary. Any doubt? Very good. Second question is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 and a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to what? B means what? Minus 4 square. 4 into a into c is equal to what? 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. 0 means what? Real and equal. So, roots are real and equal. Understood? Any problem? Good. Now, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, suppose here, already you know it has two roots. It has two roots, that is alpha and beta. Clear? Alpha and beta. Now sum of roots means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots means alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now this is a value, this is formula here. If any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it has two roots, that is alpha and beta. One is alpha, second is beta. Therefore, sum of roots means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Clear? Now I am going to give example here based on this one. Clear? Now see the question number 1. In this question, if alpha beta the roots of quadratic equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0, find the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha minus beta, and alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Clear? For finding any values are given, first of all we have to change into sum and product form of given value. Sum means sum alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha into beta c by a. I am going to solve question number 1 here. Alpha square plus beta square. Clear? Any problem? Very good. Now alpha square plus beta square means what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta means adding twice alpha beta and subtracting twice alpha beta. A alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta means what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Clear? Now you can say given value the form of alpha plus and alpha into. Now from this equation alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus b means p means minus p by a means 1, that is what? P here. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C means what? Q by 1, that is here Q. Clear? Now alpha plus beta is equal to p square minus 2q. Now this is the answer. And second part, alpha q plus beta q is equal to what? With the help of formula, factor formula, aq plus bq means a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab means alpha q plus beta q means alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is the sum of roots. Now here alpha square plus beta square means what? We can write alpha plus beta whole square. Clear? And minus 3 alpha into beta. Why? When will you open the bracket? A square plus b square plus 2b minus 3 alpha beta minus alpha beta will come. Now totally in the form of plus means sum and product. What is value of alpha plus beta? P. Alpha plus beta p square 3 into q. Now pq minus 3 pq. This is the value of alpha q plus beta q. Means either alpha square plus beta square here and here alpha q plus beta q. Any doubt? Very good. Third value is alpha minus beta. Clear? So first of all, alpha minus beta whole square means what? Alpha square beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now adding alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. After that a square plus b square plus 2ab means alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha into beta. This is value of alpha minus beta whole square. Now alpha plus beta means what? P square minus 4q. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Under root plus minus p square minus 4q. This is the value of alpha minus beta whole square. Are you understanding? Very good. Okay. Now fourth part is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Clear? We have formula here. Alpha square plus beta square whole square is equal to what? Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square is minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now alpha square plus beta square means what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta and whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Clear? When we will open the bracket, same value will come. Is alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus cancel. Whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square means alpha square beta square. Now what is value of alpha plus beta? P square 2q whole square minus 2 alpha into beta means what? Q square. Now we can open the bracket. P power 4 plus q square means 2q square 4q square minus 2ab 4p square q minus 2q square. Here then p power 4 plus 4q square minus 2 square 2q square minus 4p square q. Now this is the answer in the form of pq. Once more I am going to tell here, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 means alpha square plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square, means a power 4 plus b power 4 minus plus 2 alpha square beta square cancel here. Again here alpha square beta square means a plus b whole square, a square b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. After that we will put the value alpha plus alpha into beta, and whatever value will come, this is answer. Clear? Okay. Now in this question, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square minus bx plus b is equal to 0, prove that under root alpha by beta plus under root beta by alpha minus under root b by a is equal to 0. Clear? Means here sum of roots means alpha plus beta means minus b by a. B means minus b by a. A means is equal to b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C means what? B. B by a. Clear? Then here c by a. Okay. Okay. Now here under root alpha by beta plus under root beta by alpha minus under root b by a. Clear? It is left hand side. Left hand side. Any problem? Very good. Now under root alpha, under root beta plus under root beta by under root alpha minus under root b by a. Now I am going to take LCM under root beta and under root alpha. That is what? Under root alpha into beta, then under root alpha into under alpha alpha plus beta plus minus under root b by a. What is value alpha plus beta? B by a here. Alpha into beta also b by a. Under root b by a. Now b by a whole upon under root b by a means under root b by a minus under root b by a cancel is equal to 0, means right hand side. Hence proof left hand side is equal to right hand side. Understood? Very simple. Any question is there, first of all take LCM, do calculation. After that try to write in this form alpha plus alpha into beta. At last we will put the value, we will solve, answer will come. Clear? Now see this question here. If alpha beta are the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha upon whole square by a. Means here alpha by beta plus beta by alpha whole square is equal to what? Alpha square plus beta square upon alpha beta whole square. Clear? Now what is value of alpha square plus beta square in the form of alpha plus and alpha into beta? Alpha plus beta whole square minus what? 2 alpha into beta. Clear? Upon alpha into whole square. Why? When we will open the bracket, a means alpha plus beta whole square, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, cancel minus 2 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus alpha plus beta means minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Alpha plus means minus b by a whole square, 2 into c by a upon what? And c by a. Here whole square here and whole square. Now b square by a square minus 2c upon a, and here c by a whole square. After that taking a CM here, a square means what? A square. B square minus 2 AC into c by means a by c, and whole square a cancel by this a, then b square minus 2ac upon what ac and whole square. Now this is value of first part. Any doubt? Very good. Value of second part, alpha q by beta plus beta q by alpha is equal to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 upon alpha beta. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 means what we can write? Alpha square plus beta square whole square. Clear? Minus 2 alpha square beta square upon alpha into beta. When we will open the bracket, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square cancel by this value. Again alpha square plus beta square means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Here and whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square upon what? Alpha into beta. Alpha square plus beta square means what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square means whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Now alpha plus beta means what? Minus b by a square, b by a whole square to c by a whole square to c by a means c square by a square whole upon means c by a is equal to here b square by a square minus 2 c by a whole square minus 2 c square by a square and c by a. Now we will calculate. After calculation, required answer will come in the form of A, B and C. This is answer. Understood? Now see the last question. This is last question of this video. Given that alpha and beta the roots of equation x square plus x plus 7, then show that 1 by alpha is equal to alpha minus 1 by 7. Here the first part. Then x square plus x plus 7. Now here x square minus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Clear? Now sum of roots means alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Minus b means what? Comparing to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 7. Minus b by a means minus 1 by 1, that is what? 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Equation number first. And alpha beta is equal to what? C by a means minus 7, equation number second. Now we can check here, we have to eliminate beta because there is no beta. Then we have to put the value of beta here. Then beta is equal to what? From equation first, beta is equal to 1 minus alpha. Alpha into 1 minus alpha is equal to minus 7. Then 1 minus alpha by minus 7 is equal to 1 by alpha. Means this alpha divided by there, minus 7 divided by there. But we have to prove alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by alpha. Therefore, 1 by alpha is equal to alpha minus 1 by 7. Clear? Now hence proof. We can check here. And second part is alpha cube is equal to 8 alpha plus 7. How we can solve here? Now, from first part, since 1 by alpha is equal to alpha minus 1 by 7, now cross multiplication, alpha into alpha minus 1 is equal to 7, alpha square minus alpha is equal to 7. Alpha square is equal to what? Alpha plus 7. Clear? But we have to prove alpha cube in alpha cube form. Now multiply by alpha both the side. Therefore alpha into alpha square is equal to alpha into alpha plus 7. Alpha cube is equal to alpha square plus 7 alpha. Clear? What is value of alpha square here? Alpha q is equal to alpha square means alpha plus 7 alpha, and alpha q is equal to 8 alpha plus 7. Clear? Now you can check here. Alpha q is equal to 8 alpha plus 7. Very very simple. If any equation is there, first of all it will change into alpha plus and alpha into beta form. After that, with the compare of given equation to ax square plus b plus c, we will find ABC, and alpha plus beta means minus b by a, alpha into beta means c by a. We will put the value, what answer will come, answer will come. Clear? Now this is homework questions, and this homework question combined including video number 37 and 38. Clear? Then this is a homework question of part 37 and 38. Clear? In 37 part, already I got the value of y, line 2, and then for finding the value of x, we will put here. We will put the value of y here in the form of x, whatever numbers under root x square plus 1, any number. Then we will find the value of x. Clear? Because in video number 37, it is incomplete question. By mistake, clear? Due to some problem, it will complete the value of y in the terms of x. Now here, homework question, question number 1, solve for x. 36x square plus 23 is equal to 60x. Under root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Question number 3 is 3 power 2x minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 is equal to 0. Question number 4 is x minus 7, x minus 3, x plus 1, x plus 5 is equal to 1680. And question number 5 is 2 power 2x plus 3 plus 2 power x plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 power x. In this equation also find the value of x. Question number 6, if alpha beta the roots of equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, find the value of alpha q beta plus alpha beta q. Second part is alpha power 4 plus alpha square beta square plus beta power 4. Now this is the last question. This last question in homework question. If alpha and beta the roots of equation 3x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0, find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. Clear? Please, once more I am going to tell, I am going to remind. First of all, you will complete your exercise question with the help of example. After completing, you have to complete all the homework questions.